Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best outdoor step lights that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the VOLISUN Solar Stairlight 6-pack. VOLISUN Solar Stairlights 6-pack are stylish and functional outdoor step lights that offer super lighting with 13 LEDs, SAW 80 lumens, 800 mAh battery. These waterproof and durable lights can be installed easily without any wiring, and they come with 2 installation options. They provide 8 hours of illumination after a full 5-hour charge and can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your staircase while reducing the risk of accidents or falls. VOLISUN offers a 2-year service for these solar step lights. Moving on, at number 4, we have the SOLPEX Solar Deck Lights Outdoor 16-pack. The SOLPEX Solar Deck Lights Outdoor 16-pack is a great choice for illuminating stairs, paths, gardens, decks, and more. It features warm white LED lights that are not too bright and won't dazzle, and it has an automatic work mode that charges in 4 or 5 hours on sunny days. It's easy to install and is designed to withstand rain, wind, and small snowy days. Customers have noted that some of the lights don't work, but the customer service is helpful in resolving the issue. At number 3, we have the GIGALUMI Solar Deck Lights Outdoor 16-pack. The GIGALUMI Solar Deck Lights Outdoor is a pack of 16 warm white LED lights designed for outdoor stairs, fences, railings, and patios. The lights are waterproof with a hard ABS shell and high-quality solar panel that can withstand rain, wind, and small snow. They have an automatic on-off feature and can be easily installed along any edge using 3M tape or screws. These lights are perfect for illuminating outdoor areas at night and ensuring the safety of your family. At number 2, we have the LEONLITE Black 3CCT LED Step Lights. Upgrade your home's aesthetic with LEONLITE Black Step Lights. These stylish matte black lights are perfect for replacing old step lights without the need for new gang boxes. With 3 color temperature options and a high CRI of 90+, these lights can adapt to different scenes and improve your life quality. The 120 IV line voltage compatibility eliminates the need for a transformer, ensuring hassle-free installation. The 5% to 100% smooth dimming feature allows you to adjust the brightness according to your needs. With only 3.5 W of power consumption and a 150 linear super brightness, these lights are not only cost-effective, but also improve your family's safety at night. The ETL listing, dust-proof, and waterproof design ensure reliable quality, and the 30,000 hours lifespan and 3-year warranty guarantee long-lasting performance. Seal it with caulk for better waterproof performance when using outdoors. And finally, at number 1, we have the LIANGLOME Solar Fence Lights 8-pack. LIANGLOME Solar Fence Lights offer 3 versatile lighting modes, allowing you to choose between warm, neutral, and cool white light. This feature is perfect for creating the right ambiance in your yard or garden. With an upgraded reflective lens, these lights provide a focused beam that illuminates a wider area while saving energy. Installation is a breeze, as you can mount these lights with screws or adhesive, eliminating the need for electrical wiring. Plus, they are built to withstand harsh weather conditions and automatically turn on at night, ensuring your outdoor spaces are always well lit. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.